Guys, welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. So in today's video I'll be doing two videos in one. So I'll be showing you guys how you can get colored acrylic without actually having the colored acrylic. So what you'll be needing is a damper dish, your monomer, your color of choice, and a clear or an opaque acrylic color. So I did this 3 times to get the color that I wanted. You can do it how many times you want. But yes guys, so if you do have clients who wish to have a certain color but you don't have it in your nail palette, you can do this option. You can also do it with powder, with just regular powder without any form of acrylic being in it. Moving on to your acrylic hair. Today I'll be doing, this is my second attempt at doing some Halloween nails. The first one was the Rastafarian one, the Rasta skull. That was my first one. Now this is my second one, which I'm actually proud of. Like, I'm just getting in the hang of things here. I'm learning to be creative. I'm so happy. I need a clap. So for this video, I use sculpted forms to create these press-on nails. As you guys may know, I am very interested in doing press-on tips because I do hair and I don't want, my clients to be very uncomfortable, because sometimes your nail can snag, sometimes you don't get the result that you want because, the nail is too long, and I would like my nails to be this long. Yeah. So I use two sculpted forms to create this nail here. I wanted coffin nails as per usual. It's either sculpted or stilettos. Yeah. So I did some very long, extra long. I did some extra long coffin nails. I did some very extra long Halloween nails. This is my second attempt. I'm so proud of myself. So you know how I do over here. I like to do three accent nails. One being a full black, which I'm going to add. If you continue watching the video, you'll see what is going to be added to that video. So stay tuned. So the other video is going to be a full green nail, which I'm later down, or the overview, you may see the nails looking very different. It's because I was unsatisfied by how it turned out. So I did some little sprucing, add a little bit more characteristics to the nail because honey, they were a hot mess. So for the green nail, it was kind of very basic. All I did was green nails. I didn't want to overdo it, but I realized comparing it to the other nails, it was so basic, and I was like, I have to change this nail because out of all of them, including the umber, they were on point. And I was like, okay, I have to change this nail. So later down, when you're seeing the pictures, the reveal, you will see that stuff were added to this nail and to other nails also. So for the nail that I added a half circle to, I'll be adding green to the nail, and then I'll be adding some roses. That was a failed attempt. I was trying to copy Susie from Nail Career Education, but it was a fail. But I will try it again one day. But it's a very tedious task. It took me so long. It was so freaking long. But anyways, I attempted that and it was a fail. And then to spruce up things, I added a little bit of glitter to it because you can never go wrong with glitter. So I did that, and I thought it wasn't vibing with me. It wasn't giving me, yeah. So I added some glitters. That wasn't doing anything for me. So I decided that, okay, alright, I had to change it because this was one of the nails that I had to change also. I didn't completely change it, but I did one of my famous rose techniques on this nail and added a little bit more glitter because you can never go wrong with doing glitters. So I did this for this nail. and that was it. And for the green nail, I added a creature to the nail with many eyes. I should have recorded it, but you know, I was in my feelings and I was like, okay, alright, I don't want this video to be so long, so I didn't include it in there. So for the rest of the nails, I did umber the nails, which is the pink and the thumb. I added green to the tip of it. It was such a task. I never know how hard it was working with black. I never know how hard it was working with black, but I pulled through. It was a perfect combination. And I can't wait to do the third attempt of doing Halloween nails. I'm so pumped. But yes guys, these are some press-on nails that you can take off and put on. Take off and put on. And guys, I just ordered some stuff off Amazon and it should be coming shortly. I can't wait to reveal what I have purchased. I'm so excited about this purchase. And yes, I am jumping off topic. I need to come back to here. So I'll be showing you guys how the nails look when they're dry. I was very dissatisfied to how they turned out. I thought they were not going to be as opaque as they were, but they were very, very opaque. So I went off camera, or no, I didn't went off camera. I didn't like how they were, so I decided to, you know, ombre on the black onto the nail just to darken the black a little bit. I didn't do anything to the green. I thought the green was perfect. But anyways guys, it's coming to the end of the video. I don't want to spoil anything else for you with my talking. Thank you so very much for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoy the content that I post, and if you wish to see me create press-on nails from scratch, hit that like button. You can comment. Also remember to turn on your post notification just to see when I upload, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope you guys have a very awesome day. Peace. I'm out.